សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ YouTube Channel Dara អូខេបាទជំរាបសួរទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Channel Dara ដែលជា Channel YouTube សម្រាប់ចែកចំណេះដឹងទាក់ទងទៅនឹងភាសាខ្មែរ is a channel that's sharing education related to Khmer language and culture. Okay, I think a few weeks ago, there are a few comments on my YouTube channel about using of the DTAY in Khmer. DTAY. So DTAY in Khmer letters, you say to and then you put a to DTAY. And if you write in phonetic, it's DTAY. That's my personal phonetic. But if you feel like my phonetic it doesn't work for you, you can write your own phonetic. Okay. So today I'm going to address these questions regarding to how do you use DTAY, because some people see the DTAY as a question maker. You put it at the end of the sentence to make questions. So DTAY is a yes and no answer when the DTAY question to be asked. For example, អ្នកសុខសប្បាយទេ See, អ្នកសុខសប្បាយទេ How are you? See what how here in this special or exceptional question, the DTAY question, because how question maker is not DTAY, right? យ៉ាងម៉េច it depends what the combination with how you use it. So in this case, DTAY here, because how are you, the person who asked this question, the expectation is that he or she wants to know the answer positive or negative, mean yes or no. That's why you say DTAY. So DTAY as a question maker, for example, like do you understand in English, do you understand? So this type of question is ending with the DTAY at the end of the sentence. So អ្នកយល់ទេ See, អ្នកយល់ទេ So this is DTAY question maker is used to ask. The expectation of the asker is to know yes and no answer. The trick inside this is the person who comments on my channel, on my previous videos about DTAY, I say why they use in a negative form. For example, the same question អ្នកយល់ទេ So two answers. If you understand, say ខ្ញុំយល់ But if you don't understand, you say ខ្ញុំអត់យល់ទេ You see the DTAY is also used in negative statement. ខ្ញុំអត់យល់ទេ Remember, ខ្ញុំអត់យល់ទេ is not a question. It is a negative statement to reject the first question អ្នកយល់ទេ Okay, ខ្ញុំអត់យល់ទេ mean I don't understand. So keep in mind, for negative statement, DTAY, when the question with DTAY, the answer with negative answer is also DTAY ខ្ញុំអត់យល់ទេ Is it the must to answer ខ្ញុំអត់យល់ទេ Well, it is not a must. It is optional. You can say ខ្ញុំអត់យល់ without the DTAY. The reason that I decided to film this video is to make sure that you guys understand how to use DTAY in negative form or negative statement. So negative statement, the DTAY is optional. You can say DTAY at the end of the sentence when the negative follow. So negative followed by the DTAY or just negative side. So example again, អ្នកយល់ទេ Do you understand? អ្នកយល់ទេ ខ្ញុំអត់យល់ or ខ្ញុំអត់យល់ទេ So both answers are right. Okay? Both answers are right. Okay. The things today that I want to tell you is that they use as a question maker, and also they use in the negative statements to reject the questions. Okay, so they. I hope these short videos will help you to understand the way that we use they in Khmer. So they, again, in spoken, the they question, sometimes you hear Ray, R-A-Y, Ray, you Ray? See, in spoken Khmer, native Khmer speaker, they try to shortcut in spoken. If Khmer people talk to you ask you your they, very clear like me, just ask you this question, you are very lucky. Usually, they say it a little fast. Instead of te is re. Instead of te. Okay? So I hope this will help you with the te explanation, and I hope you will watch these videos again and understand the way that we use te's in Khmer. To attach with my previous video with question makers, I forgot to mention about I think where, one of WA questions, where. Where. So where in Khmer we say no ai na. No ai na. Where. No ai na. And again, just remember that question makers in this language, I mean in Khmer language, are placed at the end of the sentence, except the y at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so where is no ai na. Sometimes people shortcut it, instead of no ai na, they just say na. So example, where is your house? Pteh nek no ai na. Pteh nek no ai na. Pteh nek no ai na. Right? So I hope guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like button, because this is very important. When I have new videos, you will it will alert you. Okay, so hope you have a great day, and please like this video, and if you like it, you subscribe it. Okay, so thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day.